What's up guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I will show you how you can install the Pocket Option app. Also, nothing in this video is financial advice, I'm just simply showing you how you can install this app, and what you do with your own money is your own choice. Now, to get started with Pocket Option, you can use the link from the description to create an account, and from there, once you create your account, you can continue with this video and install the app. So let's get started. Now, first off, depending on your device, you would need to open your App Store or Play Store. From here, just go to the Search tab and search Pocket Option. Now, here you have a few different choices, but if you're just going to use the traditional Pocket Option that you're using on your desktop, you can just install the first app right here. Now just go ahead and select it, and be sure that the app publisher is Pocket Investments LLC. That's the official Pocket Option company. Now from here, just go ahead and click Install, and your app installation will begin. Now once the app is installed, you can just go ahead and click Open. And from here, to get registered, you can click the first link in the description, and that way once you open your account, you will get up to $50 credited to your balance. So that's guys how you can install the Pocket Option app. If you would like to know how to create or register to Pocket Option, you can watch this video right here. Now, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.